Anytime you take me from already popping to just woo, super popping, yes. Hi guys, I'm London Janae. Welcome to my channel. I am super excited because today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing the Neewer dimmable ring light. If you're new to my channel, I do DIY projects, I give beauty tips, and then also I do beauty tutorials. So if that's something interesting and exciting and something that you feel like you want to see, subscribe down below, comment on things that you would like to see in the future, and thumbs up this video if you like it. Okay, let's get into the video. You asked me what are the 3 most important things in a video. I would say the person that's in the video, their personality, and then the lighting and quality. So that's why I made the decision to purchase this ring light. I currently film my videos using 3 soft boxes, and although I love them and they are amazing, it don't like really highlight my face. My background is like popping, but sometimes my face is not as popping, especially if I'm doing like a makeup tutorial or skincare routine. My face is not as bright as I would like it to be, so I decided to purchase this ring light. My husband purchased it for me on Amazon, and let me read you guys the specs. So it's 18 inches, the outer rim is 18 inches, and the inner fluorescent light is 14 inches. It is a 75 watt. It comes with the stand and also 2 filters. One's orange and the other one is white. So I'm going to show you guys what it came in. It's literally huge. I hope you guys can see this. So this is the box that it came in. It literally came just like that. No outer box to cover it. So I'm like, please Lord, don't let anything be wrong with this thing. So let me open it. So, this thing is heavy. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's the wrong way. How cute. So it's just this black black case that says Neewer, and it seems as hard as the box. So it seems like they've done a pretty good job at making sure that it's packaged very well so nothing can happen to it. Woo! Yes, honey. Styrofoam. Did you see? And everything. This is cute. I'm like super excited. So I'm guessing that this right here. And no, I didn't even open this prior to this. I'm literally doing a raw, uncut unboxing for you guys. So I'm guessing that these are the filters. We're going to start in the order of how I'm opening it. So these are the filters, and these go around the light. I don't see myself really using an orange filter. I really don't see the point. But, I mean, hey, you never know. So these are the orange filters. And I'm just going to stick these right here. Woo! I'm excited. So let's just peel all of these off. I'm happy because I was like, when I saw the box, I was like, if this thing is broken in any way, shape, form, I'm going to have to hurt somebody. So, okay. I'm nervous because I don't want to break anything. Let's peel off all this paper. And I'm guessing, I'm scared, you guys. I am definitely scared. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. So here is the light. Here's the ring light. This is so cute. I haven't even plugged it up and I'm so freaking excited. Here's the cord. I don't want to untangle the cord just yet because I want to make sure that everything is there before I take everything apart. Okay, so this is the white. I don't see myself using this white thing either. Well, I'll have to see how it looks. So here's the white filter, which could be pretty okay because, I mean, I don't want the light shining like directly on me because I know with my soft boxes, it gets hot like really quickly. So here's the white one. It's the same as the orange. Okay, so let's see what else is in here because it's supposed to be the stand and then also the jack for the for my computer, not my computer, Lord, for my camera to sit on. So let's get this out of here. Sorry guys. Ooh. I'm about to hurt myself. So here's the stand. Okay. Here's the stand, and oh, here it is. So this is what my camera will hold on to. Like after the stand is hooked up, this piece will be added so my camera can like sit literally right in the middle. Oh, and I dropped something. Right in the middle of the ring light. How cute. I can't wait. I'm super excited. And this is the stand. So we're going to set this up and I'm going to give you guys a before and after picture of how I look. So you see how my lighting is now, and then I'm going to give you guys a view of how it looks after I set up the ring light. But for right now, it looks like all of the pieces are here. I'm going to pick up the piece that I dropped. I don't quite know what this is yet. So I'm going to read the instructions. Oh, wait. It doesn't have instructions? Okay, wait, no, it does. Let's see. Alright, now, come on now, English, where you at? Thank you for your recent purchase. My name is... Okay, so I'm not seeing any instructions. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back. The ring light is all set up. I tried to get a little footage of me putting it together for you guys so you guys can see the steps because they had no instructions, which I will get into that. But first, drum roll please. I'm sitting down, so my husband is behind the camera, so I'm going to have him turn it on for me. So let's hit it, babe. I'm excited. Woo! Yes, yes. Do you guys see that? Get into it. I still have my two soft boxes on, and I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like with the soft boxes turned off. So babe, could you turn it up because it is on the lowest setting right now, so let's see what it looks like. Oh yes, that's intense, but I like it though. I can see makeup tutorials, everything being done. Like I'm obsessed right now. I love it. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like without the soft boxes because, I mean, if you are one of those people who have no lighting whatsoever right now, maybe you guys just want to grab this one light, the ring light by itself, and you don't want to purchase, you know, 2 soft boxes or any soft boxes. So I'm gonna let you see what it looks like. So I'm gonna have my husband turn off the 2 soft boxes. Babe, could you turn them off for me, please? So let's see. So this is what it looks like. Mind you, this is midday, and like I said, my apartment do not get a lot of natural lighting. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm scooting up so you guys can see. This is what it will look like during like midday if you guys' house don't get a lot of natural lighting, which natural lighting is the best lighting, but I'm not fortunate to have natural lighting in my house. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, so here's my like final thoughts about it. I do like it. Like, the one that I was gonna have my husband purchase for me at first, because this is a Christmas gift that I got, was one that was like $300 something, and I'm like, why get that one when I could get this that is still good quality and will still do, you know, get the job done, and then maybe later on I'll, you know, get the other one after I really learn how to work it and see if I really like it or not. So yeah, this entire package was $99. Like I said, I got it off Amazon using my Amazon Prime. It came within like 2 days, like legit 2 days it came. And yeah, I like it so far. I don't know if I'm going to be using it without my 2 soft boxes. It just depends on what kind of light I'm going to get in my house. If I have a lot of natural light coming in, I'll just use maybe the ring light by itself. And on the days, because it's winter in California, it's been a little gloomy outside, so I'll probably be using the soft boxes and the ring light together. This is gonna probably be like my new lighting situation, which I'm pretty okay with. Like, I like it. Right now the light, the ring light is on dim, and I like the way the color and the way my skin looks in the light. So if you guys have any questions about this ring light, anything that I didn't answer, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.